Alrighty. Here we are at Marina Park in Ventura. Alright, I got you some water. So you can make sandcastle.
I kind of want to go back there and get my
Daddy got my sand toys.
Your sand, want me to get your sand toys? There, put in the stroller. Should I pack it up?
Yeah.
Because where are we?
My beach.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach. Here in Ventura, Marina Beach. I've taken Hunter here before.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Here we are at Marina Park in Ventura. Caroline's getting Carson. So I decided to get Hunter out first. It's a little bit windy today. And remember the pirate ship? Remember the pirate ship over there? Here, let's race to the pirate ship. Marks, get set.
No.
You don't want to race? You want me to hold you? Alright, I got you some water. So you can make sandcastle.
You be better.
Yeah.
Yeah, get the sand wet.
What do you think, Carson? Little bear?
Yucky better. Yucky better. Hey, yucky better. Yucky better.
You're making some sand, wet sand, and make the sandcastle?
What's going on, Carson?
So we're kind of this time when Hunter and I came. Actually, I think we went a couple months ago. I think it was actually warmer then than it is right now. Well, it certainly wasn't as windy.
I kind of want to go back there and get my jacket.
Yeah, it's a little windy and chilly. Hunter, show me how your sand toys work.
Can you do the spinning thing?
Do the spinning thing. I want to see how that works.
Whoa.
Ooh, oh, that's cool. It makes the windmill go. Well, not really a windmill, a wheel.
It's so cool.
Okay, the waves though, they kind of come high. That's why we're way up here. I'll get wiped out.
Mommy, I want water at this cup.
You want water in that cup? It's good water.
A lot of water in your bucket. There you go.
I made it.
Okay, you can make a sandcastle out of that.
Sandcastle. Well, you gotta scoop it. Scoop it. Nice. There you go. Oh, Carson.
Getting yourself all sandy. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Can baby play with this green elephant?
Koala.
It's so cool.
That's a koala. Oh, that's cool too. Is that cool?